Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In our next video on watering techniques, we're focusing on the benefits of watering deeply and infrequently. Let's dive in. Instead of shallow daily watering, watering deeply a few times a week is more beneficial for your plants. Deep watering encourages plants to develop deeper root systems, which help them access water at lower soil levels. Deeper root systems make plants more drought-resistant by allowing them to access moisture stored deeper in the soil. This is especially important during dry spells when surface water may not be available. Here's how to water deeply and infrequently. First, timing. Water your plants deeply 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your soil type and weather conditions. Next, technique. Water slowly and thoroughly, allowing the water to penetrate deeply into the soil. Use a soaker hose, drip irrigation, or water by hand, making sure the soil is moist at least 6 to 8 inches deep. Lastly, check moisture levels. Use a soil moisture meter or your fingers to check the moisture levels in the soil. If the top few inches are dry, it's time to water deeply again. Watering deeply and infrequently helps your plants develop strong root systems, making them more resilient to drought and other stresses. Watering deeply and infrequently is a simple yet effective way to promote strong root systems and ensure your plants thrive. Give it a try and see the difference in your garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!